So guys, as you can see, we have a simple object here, and here our objective was to connect these two separate parts into one. For that we needed to use the knife projection with this object. For our case, to use knife project, we need to align our view with the active object face normal. So how to do it? We normally know that numpad 1 for front view, numpad 3 for side view, numpad 7 for top view. And for opposite, control 7 bottom view, control 1 back view, and control 3 opposite side view. Now to align the view with the selected face normal, press on 3 face selection, select the face, then go to view, align view to active, top, let's go to X-ray mode. For bottom, same, align view, bottom. It's really simple. We normally use numpad 7 for top view, but for this we need to use shift plus number 7. And for bottom view, align with the selected face normal, shift control numpad 7. Same goes for others. Front view, shift numpad 1, side view, shift numpad 3. That's all. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.